How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you a few things about 2D arrays in Java. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so in our video we're going to have two classes. We're going to have our anime character class and we're going to have our anime table class. Our anime character class is going to have three data fields. It's going to have a name, an anime show that it belongs to, and a special power or ability. In our anime character class, we're going to have two constructors. Our first one takes in a name. Our second one takes in the name, show, and special ability. In our anime character class, we also have our setters and getters for each of our data fields. In our anime table class, we're going to have a 2D string array filled with three anime characters. In our anime table constructor, we're going to initialize each character with its own name, show, and special ability. Our first one is Goku from Dragon Ball Z, and his ability is Spirit Bomb. Next is Naruto from the show Naruto, and one of his abilities is the Shadow Clone Jutsu. And then our last anime character is going to be Luffy from the show One Piece, and his ability is going to be the Jet Bazooka. So, before you print out your 2D array, you need to fill it in with what you want inside of it. For our array, we need to fill in with three anime characters. And before I show you how to fill in our table, I'm going to show you an image of what the table should look like by the time it's over. So yeah, this is an example of what the table looks like. It's going to be 3 by 3, character in each row, and then the character's attribute in each column. Alright, so to fill in our table, we're going to start with anime characters, and we're going to be starting with the first row. So we're going to start at row 0 because arrays start at or count from 0, not 1. So 0 is going to be our row, and then our column is going to be 0, which is our first row, first column. And we're going to initialize it with the anime character's name. So anime character 1.get name. And then for the other attributes, we can simply copy and paste. And for our second line, we're going to change the column. So 0, 1, and this time we're going to add the anime show. And then for our last column, for our first anime character, we're going to change it to 2. And this time we're going to add special power. Alright, now for our second anime character. Anime characters. Now it's the second row, first column. And that's going to be anime character number 2. And we're going to get the name, anime show, and special power. Alright, so now we did in our last anime character. Alright, so that's how you enter each item in our 2D array. Don't forget to show them how to print 2D arrays. Yes, I'm about to. Can you please leave? Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to print our 2D array. First, we need to call in our fill table method, and then we need to have a nested for loop. So for int I, set that to 0, set I less than our anime characters array's length, and we're going to increment I by 1. And then inside of our first for loop, we're going to have our second one, int j set to 0, j less than anime characters bracket I, which prints out the column length, and we increment j by 1. Inside of our for loop, we're going to say print instead of print line, and we're going to say anime characters I, j, and space in between, and a tab, And then outside of our first, no, outside of our first for loop, or outside of this for loop, we're going to have system out, just print line. Now, so inside of our main method, we just need to create our anime table, name it table, set to new anime table. Then we're going to have table, simply print table. And now it's time to look at our table. And we have Goku, Dragon Ball Z, Spirit Bomb, Naruto, Shadow Clone Jutsu, Luffy. Let me make a quick fix. And now we have Luffy, One Piece, and Jet Bazooka. Alright, so that's how you handle 2D arrays in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you have any suggestions for any other video topics you'd like me to do, also comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.